a unique type of waterproof bag that requires certain care and maintenance. First things first, cleaning your bag. Booe bags are super easy to clean. Simply hand wash with fresh water to clean any leftover sand, dust, or dirt that might be remaining on your bag or zipper. You can also use dish soap if you're sensing your bag needs a deeper clean. Additionally, a wipe can be used to remove any contaminants that might be jammed in your zipper and garage. Next step is the maintenance of your bag. To keep your TRU Zip zipper working like new, lubricate the zipper after cleaning your bag. This can be before a prolonged storage or if you're just wanting your zipper to glide like it did when you first got it. We recommend lube dry cleaning and lubricating wipes, which are included with every Booe bag purchase. More can be purchased at lubedry.com. After lubricating, cycle your zipper at least 5 times to not only distribute the lubricant, but also to make sure it's gliding smoothly. Any excess lubricant that might be left behind, you can easily wipe off with a dry cloth. Lastly, let's talk about how to store your Booe bag. Booe bags are different than normal bags, as they are waterproof and completely airtight. This means they must be stored a certain way. No matter what, it's always a safe bet to rinse and dry your bag before storing it for some time. But this next part is important. Always store your Booe bag with the zipper completely closed. If you leave your bag open for an extended period of time, you're risking compromising the quality and strength of its TRU Zip zipper technology. If the rails should separate, the TRU Zip zipper is self-healing. Once you're ready to pack it away, just be sure your bag is stored flat and in its original shape. Once again, your Booe bags are unique and should not be folded or kinked when storing away. Now your Booe bag is ready for your next adventure.